Hi, welcome to Tech Tips and Tech Stuff. My name is Ron, and today I want to show you how to disable Windows 10 updates. Now, I'm not going to go into the reasons why you should or shouldn't. This is strictly for people who've decided they want to disable Windows 10 updates. And I'll show you how it's done. Go to the Start, right-click, Computer Management, select Services and Applications, double-click on Services, scroll down until you find Windows Update. Double-click. Now mine is set to manual. We're going to disable it. If it's running, click Stop. Apply. OK. Check to see what's happening now. Go and type in Windows. Update. And you get an error. Here's the error message here. So Windows 10 updates are now disabled on your computer. If you want to re-enable them, just go and do the reverse. If you find this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and as always, thank you for watching.